Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to talk about something that we all struggle with, our thoughts and emotions. You see, our minds are constantly bombarded with thoughts and feelings that can be difficult to manage. But the good news is, there are some really effective techniques that you can use to master your thoughts and emotions. First and foremost, it's important to understand that you are in control of your mind and your thoughts. You can decide what thoughts to entertain and which to dismiss. It's all about being mindful and aware of your thoughts. One technique that has been proven effective in managing thoughts and emotions is mindfulness meditation. This involves sitting in a quiet place, focusing on your breath, and observing your thoughts as they come and go without any judgment. Another technique is cognitive behavioral therapy. This involves recognizing negative thought patterns, challenging them, and replacing them with positive affirmations. This can help you to reframe your negative thoughts and emotions in a more positive light. Journaling is another effective tool for mastering your thoughts and emotions. Writing down your thoughts and feelings can help you to process them in a more constructive way. It can also help you to recognize patterns and triggers in your thoughts and emotions. Finally, it's important to prioritize self-care. This means taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. Eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, practicing self-compassion, and setting healthy boundaries can all contribute to a more balanced and healthy mindset. So guys, remember that you have the power to master your thoughts and emotions. By practicing mindfulness, cognitive behavioral therapy, journaling, and self-care, you can learn to manage your thoughts and emotions in a healthier and more effective way and take one step to success. Thanks for watching, and as always, like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to improve your mental health and well-being.